How's it going, YouTube? Android here, and today we're going to be taking a look on how to get this theme for your Android device. Guys, right off the back, be impressed with my desk here. I removed went for a little minimalistic type approach. Here's my monitor that I use daily basis with my laptop if I'm doing something there. I just put it on these little Xbox things because the button's actually down here. If it sits on the table, it presses the power button and turns it on, turn it on. So I just put it up here, which is an easy fix. This is the same table I had before, but I painted it white because I was feeling the wood was getting a little bit old. But anyways, guys, I do like how the purple is doing a nice deal with this white desktop or whatnot. Anyways, guys, if you like that, just leave a comment in the description or comment in the comment section or whatnot, and let me know. But anyways, guys, let's get right into this theme. Again, guys, right now I'm using Launch Pro Plus. The standard dock, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already have this dock on your phones. I'll put a link in the description as well. So everything I'll be doing will be a link in the description. So one thing that I do have to show you guys before I start with this theme, once you start up Launcher Pro, this can be Launcher Pro or ADW or anything pretty much like that. You want to go to, I believe it's home screen settings, and then put number of columns, set that to 9, and then number of rows, set that to 9 as well. And I have only one home screen, so you can put as many home screens as you want, but I stick to one home screen. I got my dock down here, so it's 9 by 9, and the way you do it is that I'm gonna have these icons descriptions as well. I can't get the name right off the bat right now, but anyways, to add an icon, you can do is long press on here, go to widgets. You're going to be downloading an app called Desktop Visualizer, right? And Desktop Visualizer here, what you want to click is the Desktop Visualizer 1x1 SS. Once you click on that, you go to click on this. I would just advise just to put a whole bunch first on your screen. Don't put them in the order, but just put a whole bunch, and it'll just tally up like this. When you start adding these little icons here, once you do have a whole bunch, all you gotta do is click on it here, go to select icon, go to image file, and you want to click this on your you want to save the stuff that I have in description. Let me go look for it right now. I'll have this in the description as well on where to get it. I can't even find where this icon pack I'm using is, which is really weird actually. Oh, here it is. Okay, this right here. It was in the front. But anyways, here guys, these are all the icons pack I'm using here. What you want to do is just click on any one of these. So if I want this little Starbucks one, right? If I click on the Starbucks thing, I'll put a Starbucks right here. You want to put select action, put launch app, or you can do whatever you want really. I do launch app, so I can put AdSense down here. For the minimalistic approach, I'm going to delete this little label for the title screen or whatnot. You don't have to mess with this because you don't have a label up here. I like to keep this the touch effect to green, and vibration I usually leave it off, but you can leave it on if you like. And then you're gonna hit OK, and then it usually pops out to add, unfortunately. But anyways, guys, here you go. Here's the icon right here. It's not contrasting really well with this wallpaper, but you know it's there. That green background is when you click on it. You see how it's green like that? I don't know if you can tell right there. Let's see if you'll see it again. There it goes. That's a little green. I like the green because it looks kind of stock, you know, like an ACC type of deal. But anyways, guys, what you're going to want to do is put one icon in the middle here, and then put 2 icons on each side with this amount of spacing. You can get it right. It took me a while to get this stance. I don't like just having always a 3x3 or 4x4 or 2x4 or something like that, you know. So I tried to switch it up a little bit, put a little diamond. I don't usually call themes, but this is, I would say it's diamond in space. You know, I got the little space background. Background desktop will be in the description as well. But anyways, guys, this little widget right here, 10:46. It is 10:46 in the morning actually. This is called minimalistic text. So the way you do it is you long press on your home screen again, go to widgets here. You're gonna download minimalistic text from what is it, the App Store or whatnot. You can click any one of these, honestly. We're gonna stick to the 3x1, and once we click on that, you can just press back here. I'm gonna delete this one so you can see the what is it, the actual what I actually have set. For my background, you want to uncheck that so nothing's in the background there. Go to orientation, make sure that's like this, the middle and then the top and then going to the right. Here what you want to do is you want to click on the default clock widget, right? So it's going to give you our text 12, your minute 2-digit text part 1, and then minute 2-digit text part 2, not midget. But anyways, from here you want to click on each one of these, and oh, I think I have them set to already a small text or whatnot. Let's go to text style here, where it says accented. We're gonna click on that, and you can see here the size I have for the accent is 13, and the color I have is a black with a transparency of right there. You can gauge it however much you want, but I left it right there. It leaves it a little dark but a little transparent so you can see the blue in the background. And for the non-accented one, I think it might be 12. Yeah, it's 12 right here. The same type of color. See, I don't even have it the same way actually. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you guys on what you want. But anyways, guys, you can go ahead, pick back, and then save, and it'll be on your desktop here. Let's see here. I only have it this big, but you can make it as long as you want. You click on it, you can take it to, I don't know, your clock widget or something like that. But yeah, and for getting this hidden dock and whatnot, so when you download Launcher Pro, you want to get rid of those icons. So what you're going to do is go ahead and long press on one of those icons, put change icon, and then in the description I will have what is it called? A link to a blank .png icon, and what you want to do is just click on it. So when you look at it in your phone, it's just going to look blank, like there's nothing there. But you want to click on it and it will give it up. It will just come up blank. So whatever icon you had there, it's not going to show up anymore. Anyways, guys, I do have another let's see here. I do have another wallpaper that you can choose from. Let me go ahead and put it up. I usually don't do this whole wallpaper deal, adding 2 wallpapers to a theme, but I just got this wallpaper like today and this morning actually, and I think it actually looks really fantastic with this theme. I like blue color palettes. I'm leaning towards the blue color palettes these days, but I might switch into this purple or whatnot. But anyways, guys, I'm really liking this blue color palette. Anyways, guys, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Again, guys, everything will be in the description as you like. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment section, and guys, I'll be seeing you guys later. Peace.